If you've lost access to your Gmail account, regaining ownership can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you reclaim your account. Step 1. Visit the account recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address of the account you want to recover. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any issues in the recovery process. Step 3. Follow the prompts. Google will ask you a series of questions to verify your identity. Answer these questions as accurately as possible. This may include entering the verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number. Step 4. Check your recovery options. If you have set up recovery options like a backup email or phone number, Google will send a verification code to those options. Access your recovery email or phone to retrieve the code and enter it when prompted. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should have regained access to your Gmail account. Remember to update your recovery options to prevent future issues.